Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing well. In the previous video, we have seen how amount of food is related to animal sleep. Means if the animals are large in size, they will sleep less, and if the animals are small in size, they will sleep more. For example, African elephants. African elephants are huge in size, and due to their huge size they eat up to 300 kg of food in a day, up to 300 kg of food. So to eat that amount of food they need lots of time, means they are spending most of their time in eating their food, and that is the reason they sleep only for 3 to 4 hours in a day. Now, if we talk about the horses sleep for less than 3 hours, means वो 3 घंटे से भी कम सोते हैं. So, and one most important and amazing thing about them is that they can sleep standing up position. Means to sleep they don't need to lie on the ground. Means they can sleep while they are standing position. So, can you guess why the horses do so? Actually, horses are hunted by other animals. So, they have fear of hunted by some other animals. And when any animals attack while they are sleeping, they can run away more quickly when they sleep in the standing up position. But if they sleep like us, means in lying down position, it will take more time to first stand and then run. So horses stand up position में इसलिए sleep करते हैं so that वो easily and quickly run कर सकें when they have fear of some animals. And if they sleep like us, means like human beings, it will take more time to stand first and then run away in case of fear. But it is not always necessary that horses sleep always in standing up position, but most of the time they sleep in the standing up position. But sometimes they also sleep in lying down position also. And when they sleep, they lock their joints in their leg. Means उनके legs में जो joints होते हैं उनको वो lock कर देते हैं so that they don't fall when they sleep. We discussed amount of food, how it affects the sleeping of the animals. Now, the another factor that we are going to study which affect the sleeping of the animals is to conserve energy. So, what is the meaning of to conserve energy? To conserve energy means to save the energy so that it don't get waste. As we all know that we human beings perform many activities and to perform these activities we need lots of energy. So if we don't have energy we are not able to perform these activities. If we take the example of horses, they take lots of food, and why they are taking lots of food? Because they need lot of energy. Why they are needing lot of energy? Because they have to do the activities like running, so they take lots of food. Means जो भी एनर्जी उन्हें फूड से मिली वो एनर्जी उन्होंने स्पेंड कर दी इन द रनिंग एंड इन अदर एक्टिविटीज. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट सम एनिमल्स हु आर लार्ज इन साइज बट दे स्लीप मोर. अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि जो लार्ज एनिमल्स होते हैं दे स्लीप लेस बिकॉज उनका मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्पेंड होता है ईटिंग में. बट इफ वी टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पाइथन्स, सो पाइथन्स आर द एनिमल हु स्लीप्स फॉर मोर देन 20 hours at a time. So why these pythons are sleeping more? Means what is the reason why these large pythons, means they are large in size, so what is the reason why they are sleeping more? In fact, pythons are lazy animals. So what is the reason why they are lazy? They are lazy because In this way, they conserve their energy. They sleep for around 60 hours a day. So sleeping 60 hours a day, they save their energy, because if they sleep more and more, what will happen? Their energy will not waste. So they conserve their energy in this form. In winters and after feeding, means after taking their food, these pythons sleep up to 20 hours at a time. Means they take their food and they sleep. So if they are sleeping, they are conserving their energy, they are saving their energy. Now, after learning all these things, we can say if the animals are large in size, they will sleep less. And if the animals are large in size but they are sleeping more, it means they are conserving their energy.